Hello guys, it's Katie and today I'm going to be trying to do a bonfire night vlog. So today is the 5th of November, which is bonfire night, and right now we are going out to see the fireworks. I don't know if I'll get any footage, but I'll try my best to actually vlog something. Just see how this vlog goes, and yes, make sure you guys like, subscribe, turn notifications, let me know if I'm going to post a video. Without further ado, let's get on with this vlog. Waiting for fireworks.
Whoa, you missed that one.
Where? Oh! Where? Am I blind?
Is that way?
Literally there. Ow! I get killed. See if I can get an effect. Right then, yeah? It's going halfway down the stairs. Oh, it's gone now.
So we're going to do the countdown. Is everybody ready to do the countdown?
Yeah!
10, 9, 8, 7, 6,
I know, yeah.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go.
There we go. Later.
So guys, now we are home and we have just ordered pizza because we were really hungry, and we were going to go to McDonald's but the line was too long. So I've just had my pizza that we've ordered. I think it's like 8:30 or something. I'm not sure if I got enough footage, but I'm just going to continue this vlog on until tomorrow, which is Saturday. Not sure what I'm going to be doing, but I'll try and figure out something to do to make this vlog longer. But I hope you liked it so far, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.
The next day.
What's up guys, it's Katie. So it is the next day right now. I'm going to the Sunderland match today. I don't usually go to football matches because I don't really like football, but I might as well go because I've got nothing else to do. Might vlog a bit of that today and see how it goes. So I'll see you guys there.
First round tie, Stephen.
So guys, I am back from the match. I've actually been back a few hours now. Ignore my hair, I've had it crimped, and yes, it looks crazy. I've had it crimped because I've got a competition again tomorrow, and by again I mean I had one last week on Halloween, which is Sunday last week, but first twice, so that was good, and I've got another one tomorrow, but this competition's harder, so I don't think I'll get first again, but I'll try my best. So yeah, I went to the match. Didn't get that much footage because I was watching it even though they were crap because we lost, but yeah, I haven't been to a match in ages, so it was alright. That's going to be the vlog for today. I hope you like the fireworks that we went to yesterday, even though they were boring, because we only went to the ones like round here and they were boring, no rides or anything that like they usually do, but oh well. And I hope you liked me going to the match today. See you guys in the next one. Bye.